In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Google Analytics ID. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or just starting out with your own website, understanding how to navigate Google Analytics is key to optimizing your digital presence. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure you can easily locate your measurement ID whenever you need it. First off, you'll need to head over to Google Analytics. You can do this by typing in the URL bar, analytics.google.com. Once you've landed on the page, go ahead and sign in with your Google account. Make sure you're using the account that's associated with your website, as this will streamline the process and land you right where you need to be. If you have multiple accounts linked, ensure that you're logged into the correct one to avoid any potential confusion. After you've signed in, you'll be greeted by the Google Analytics dashboard. Over on the left-hand side, you'll notice a navigation bar. You might see a variety of options here depending on your configuration. But don't worry, our focus is on staying within the main navigation to find what we need. Now, if you find yourself needing to switch between different properties you manage, click on Admin, located somewhere on the left. This allows you to choose the correct property. Once you've selected the right one, remain in the main navigation area to proceed further. Avoid getting caught up in the various other features just yet. We're on a mission to locate that Google Analytics measurement ID. With your property selected, look for the option labeled Data Collection. You'll find this in the main navigation interface. Go ahead and click on it. This section is integral as it shows how data is being aggregated from your site. It's where your data streams, or the flow of information your website sends to Google Analytics, are listed. Inside the data collection section, you'll see a list of your data streams. These are essentially the pipelines through which your website's data is being funneled into Google Analytics. For our purposes today, you want to select the web stream that corresponds with your site. Click on it, and it will direct you to an overview of your data stream settings. And there it is. Your Google Analytics Measurement ID is prominently displayed at the top of this page. It's a unique identifier that begins with the letter G, followed by a dash and various other numbers and letters. This ID is essential for tracking your site's activity and syncing with other Google marketing tools. Make a note of it or copy it somewhere safe for future reference. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to locate your Google Analytics ID. This process forms the backbone of how you can track and analyze data that's vital to your website's performance. Understanding this will empower you to optimize and refine your digital strategies over time. Thank you for joining me today, and now you're ready to take full advantage of the insights Google Analytics can provide.